Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about using something called the Infinite Cloner with the Smartboard and the Notebook software. So to begin, I'm just going to open up my Notebook software by double-clicking on it. And I'm going to go straight over to my gallery. And for today, the Infinite Cloner uses, it can use pictures or text, but for right now I'm just going to show you with a picture. I'm going to type in basket and get myself a picture of a basket. Again, I'm just clicking and dragging to bring it on the screen and touching it once. I do want to make it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to just drag that white dot from the corner. And I'm going to click away from it, go back to my gallery, and we're going to count apples today. So I'm going to type in apple, go into my pictures, find myself a picture of an apple, and again, just click and drag it onto the screen. Now that's a little bit big, so I'm going to go to my white circle again and shrink it a little bit. Now once I've done that, I want to do something called the Infinite Cloner so that every single time I touch that apple, I get a new one. I'm going to click on the apple one time so that I get the features around it. The green, remember we said turns it. The white we already used makes it bigger or smaller. And up here, I'm going to click once. I'm going to go down to something called Infinite Cloner. Select it once. And now, every time I click on that apple, I get a new one. So if I'm doing a lesson with my students and I want to count 5 apples in the basket, I can have students come up to the smartboard and drag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples right into the basket. The student can then pick up a pen and they can write 5 right next to the basket. Now to show you another way that you can use the Infinite Cloner, I've already set up a slide. I'm just going to arrow over. And let's say you're working with students on teaching the letter B and words that begin with B. I'm going to just go to my gallery, and I've already done a search for B. Scroll down, find my B, drag it over. Now again, that's a little bit larger than I need to use, so I'm going to click on it once, use the arrow on the bottom, make it smaller, and drag it down here. I'm going to click on the arrow, select Infinite Cloner, and now I can have students take turns coming up to the board and dragging the letter B to anything that begins with a B sound. So ball, balloon, boat, boy. Good luck with using the Infinite Cloner, and I can't wait to hear all the other exciting ways that you think of to use the Infinite Cloner in your classroom.